Hey there everybody, it is Wednesday, the 27th day of March 2024, about 2:45 in the afternoon, and what I'm showing you here, as I just go around, this is the Highland Bayou RV Park, and this is my review of it. Just wanted to pass that there. You see there's nice trees right there, but this is a park that's got some older places and some newer ones. It's got an mix, but you see like that old one there, the people that were in that moved out like a month ago, and it's still here, and the owners of this place were working on it. And the one that's here next to me right here, it was empty for a couple of weeks or so. The people were gone, and then they finally came back and they took it away, so that one's been empty. But like that one right over there is in really, really bad shape, and quite a few of these are. That brick building you see right there is a motel, and that's where this is located. Route 6 is right out that way, even though you can't see it. And in this place here, that's where the washer and dryer is. That's the laundry. There's only 2 washers and 2 dryers in there, and we've used it twice in total since we've been here for 4 months. And you know, it is what it is. It was okay, but not all that great. So we wash our clothes at our kids' house when we go there, and let that be that. You can see the wind's whipping up right now, but I think we pay about $4.75 a month for this place, all inclusive. You do get internet with that. The internet is decent. You know, it's your typical RV. I mean, it ain't the greatest. You will get some buffering and everything like that, but it's full hookups. Obviously the hookups are on this side. You can see back there. We are on site number 59 is what this one is, and the way it's, you know, you can see the end of where the trailer's at. You can see the truck comes up. So I've got this much space right here. That line is the main road. And you see I have the car parked here, and you can see the line right there. And you see I'm in the back right there. You get a picnic table, and they actually keep that picnic table all the way on that concrete. It's very hard to get into your place that way. TV stations, you get a good bit of TV stations here because, you know, you're not far from Houston, and you know, a lot of them might have some buffering problems and stuff, but you know, the ones that I like, they come in pretty decently overall. So Grit and PBS and the Buzzer, that kind of thing, as I like watching Classic Concentration. But yeah, you can see some traffic right there on 6. It's an easy place to get in and out of. It's very close to Galveston and League City, and you know, if you have to go to Houston, you can do that. Alvin's only about 20-minute drive from here, so it's not a bad place for, you know, where it's situated. It's in a good spot there. But hopefully with this video you can just look around, you can see, you know, all you need. We never go down through there. There's no amenities here. There was a little swing set down there. 2 teenage girls broke it down literally to the ground, and they never did anything about it, so that was a bummer. But you know, I mean, other than that, I mean, it's been a decent place to stay. Oh, and as far as this parking, see, I'll show you. When these people were here, they had 2 vehicles as well, so of course they used that. So I mean, I was having to park closer than what I am now. I mean, I was having to come right here to the edge just to fit in here. So that was a little bit hard. But you know, there's some noise. There's trains. Actually, across 6 is a railroad track, so you will get trains day and night. Actually, there's probably half a dozen or so that come through here every 24-hour period, I would guess. The traffic noise, of course, dies down at night, and it seems like, honestly, the people that were next to us, they were a big part of the noise causers, honestly, because there for a while we were having noise like crazy, and since they've left, it's not been too bad every night. I mean, you still get some people you hear people screaming or something every now and again. But again, overall, I mean, it's not been a bad place to stay. And so, you know, you'd be okay to be here. I mean, it's been safe, sound, nobody's bothered anything, you know, there's no theft or, you know, no drugs, none of that kind of stuff, at least that we have noticed. So other than that, that's about my review of this place. Hopefully it'll do you some good if you want to come here. And you know, just look for that hotel there on the road, and it'll just say RV Park. There's a sign out there. There's people up there that run this place. They set out all the time. Other than that, I'm not sure what else to tell you, so hopefully this will do you some good. Let me know what you think if you got any thoughts. Take care of yourself. Bye now.